So load game, we're at an hour 17. Alright, I've actually introed yet. I'll start with the controls though.
Alright. Did you already right?
No, wait, shit.
What?
Alright, we are back here in part 3. We're at like an hour or so into the run here. I'm going to start the clock now. As you can see, I've got 200k. We've leveled up quite a bit. Here's our stats. 30 vitality, 25 endurance, 40 strength, 30 dex, and 12 resistance. I duped 1,000,000 souls.
1,000,000 souls.
Hence why we have 0 Estus. And I'm actually going to Homer Bone because of that. So I don't want to go through this area with no Estus. So yeah, we'll do that. Good call. Good call, man.
I usually do it with no S's.
Yeah? You should do it with no Estus at all.
Mm-hmm.
No Estus.
No hit, no Estus.
No nothing. No armor, no weapons, fist only.
Consumable only. Fist's a little too easy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Some bosses you can't actually do all the damage with all enough like health with.
It's cheap in it.
No, the one time Lobos did Quailag, he said he couldn't do enough damage, so he had like people like summoned in, and they would drop like bundles of stuff at the fog gate, and you would grab it through the fog gate. That guy can hit you on that. Just a heads up.
And always almost never make it.
That's a very sketchy ledger.
Dark Souls is like, we want you to die here.
Cutting it. Oh,
Do you
so
think you can
close.
first try this like me?
Bro.
What?
Bro.
What? I'm just saying, like, I would first try this.
I can first try this.
Don't die.
Don't worry about it.
Cue death. Whoa!
That's save and quit. That's save and quit right there. I might be fucked though when I spawn back in. I shouldn't be. No, this guy should be right here.
Watch out from behind you.
There we go. And then you jump off the ledge too? No? Alright, see ya. Thank God for save and quits.
Thank you, Gold, for save and quit.
That could have gone very wrong right there.
Wrong.
It could have been very wrong. Now I have 25 seconds. 23, 22, 21, 20 seconds. Count it down. Who killed the last boss? I did, right?
Golem, yeah.
Do you still have one boss?
Yes.
Wow.
I didn't even get to temp rank one. I spent my time doing the sends.
Yeah, that's right.
I haven't.
Alright, we're gonna hand off.
Only
Your
ever
first handoff.
I've only attempted 2 bosses, right?
I think you've attempted more. Just
I attempted Gargoyle and I attempted Quailag.
Those are the bosses that you.
I didn't attempt anyone else.
You beat Quailag though, right? That was your only boss kill.
The hardest boss so far.
Yeah, easily. The only boss we first tried Silent Demon, Gargoyles, and that's it. We didn't first try Gargoyles. First tried Silent Demon and Quailag.
I just run right through here.
Yeah.
What?
A hint of fall damage. That'll happen sometimes. Because the game thinks you're falling, but you're really not. It only happens here. Just keep sprinting, keep it like zigzagging. Alright. Wait for the arrow to come. And go. And then turn left. Go up the rafter again. Now here, sprint against the wall till you get like to the end of that first window. Put your shield up. Now parry him. Lock onto him. Now kill him.
Oh, please fall off the cliff. He falls off.
He should just die. Or he'd be very weak. Oh my lord! Holy shit, bro. Ooh.
Not even like trying.
Wow. Alright, go get that bonfire.
I didn't think I'd get the parry off, to be
Wow.
honest. I was shocked when I did that.
No, it's really easy to parry in this game. Sit at the bonfire. Sit at the bonfire. Oh! Fucking cat.
Sit machine broke.
Look, I did sit at the bonfire. What are you talking about? Alright, go kill the Silver Knight out here so you can do this jump skip, no
Kill the
problem.
what?
Kill the Silver Knight. Just parry his dumbass. Just parry him. You just gotta parry him.
I'm waiting for the opportune moment.
There you go. Just do most of this health, right? How much is he gonna do? He's got like a sliver left. Nice. Nice partial. Alright, now go do the skip.
No Silver Knight weapon.
Nope, we don't need it. Right now we're going to the Blacksmith Giant. We
Right.
duped this 200k that we have. That's the wrong way.
Oh,
Gotta keep going up more.
I was gonna say, where's the...
There it is right there. We duped this 200k so we could purchase enough Twinkling Titanite. I think we need 16 Twinkling Titanite to be able to fully upgrade this hammer. So we're gonna go to the Blacksmith Giant. Okay, there we go. You see that? We're gonna go to the Blacksmith Giant. We're gonna have to kill him for the hammer. We gotta fucking kill him. We gotta rob him because he's not gonna give that hammer up easy.
Yes.
We gotta fucking end his life.
Plunge attack.
We gotta murder him.
That's
I wish I could plunge attack him.
That's what I'd do.
That'd be sweet. Like in real life, I'd just climb over the rafters and.
And
plunge
gravity
attack.
would kill you. Or you'd be, like, maimed.
Yeah,
You gotta buy stuff from him first, right?
yeah. Yeah, I know.
What if
I
you
start
kill him? Can you
swinging
not
on
buy
him.
anything from him anymore?
Nope. Of course you can't buy
So you
anything.
lose everything that he has to offer.
Yes. Pretty sure I need.
But you can pardon, right? You can get the pardons.
Yeah. Do I need 16? Pretty sure I do.
Take it plus...
Either way, it doesn't matter. I have 18 now. That should be plenty to level up. I still have 82,000 souls.
Yeah.
Blah!
It takes one hit.
Oh lord!
He is just...
Well, now he's dead. Yeah, one hit aggroed him. We did that much damage.
Right in the butt.
Right in the smack that booty. Smack that booty. This boy is thick. This boy is thick as fuck. Oh, he's doing it again.
Yo, that imp's gonna kill you.
Goodbye. I'm good, I'm good. Hey, fucker. Hey, fucker.
Locksmith great hammer. Locksmith giant hammer. He doesn't do...
Dupes. I duped it. What are you talking about, bruh? What are you talking about, bruh? Bruh. Alright, reinforced weapon. I really don't think I needed to buy 16. I think I just needed to buy 8.
Souls are never an issue.
Oh well, we have just a bunch of extra souls now, which do we have enough to level up? We do.
Once.
Endurance.
Bucket.
Bucket.
Put the hammer on.
Yeah.
Do we have the sense to wield it?
Of course we do.
Oh yeah, true. I was just
I
wondering.
think we're gonna. Oh no, we still fast roll. Yes. Yas, bitch. Yas.
For a second I was thinking that it would require like fade or some dumb shit, but...
Fuck.
Whoa, nice parry. Nice.
What are you doing, bro?
Nice. Partial. Didn't even get an actual
It should do
free.
more. Yo, it's doing double the fucking damage that the fucking club was. Yas, bitch. Yas.
Do you not need hovels?
Oh, yeah, go get hovels. That's right, we need hovels. I mean, technically we don't, because we could get the stone armor on the way to Sif. So yeah, just go fight ONS. We can get the stone armor later. Now it's ONS, no pressure. This could be like a big make
With
or
4
break.
flasks?
We have humanities. You should be high up enough. Yeah, you're way high now. There you go. I would like Kindle, but we can only get an extra 5 flasks, and it's not really worth it. Kill O first.
I haven't fought no one else in like 2-3 years.
Oh, I'm sure that's fine, right? That shouldn't be a problem.
Is it that way?
No. It's that way. Just run past this guy, run straight. Yeah. And go right to the fog gate.
I'm gonna die.
Run, 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 run. Oh my lord. Skip. Now walk forward more. Because those guys can hit you to the fog gate stuff. He's glitched.
Oh!
It's alright. We're good. Two-handed. This boss you can lock on. This boss is fine to lock on to.
Oh. Thought the camera would just take me away.
It's not gonna roll it, huh? Oh, Shelby might be dead here. That's fine. Fuck this boss. This boss can be a bitch. But we're gonna fuck him up. Don't worry. We got a fucking big ass hammer. We got a lot of stats. We can be chilling here. We should be chilling. Silver Knight's coming, so just.
Oh, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
Nice!
Just kill him. Yeah, you gotta jump a little earlier. Like jump like now. There you go. Alright, we're gonna swap off here. Alright. Why'd you do that? Let me see.
That's optimal. You got optimal ONS strat.
Oh my god, hello smoke. Fucker!
You get the awesome hitboxes.
This hammer is a piece of shit.
And the fact that Estus is no deal. Why does the Estus Flask like not heal us at all?
Because it's not upgraded.
What do we need to do that?
Fire Keeper Souls. Which we can get, like it's not an issue.
Why does almost kill Onus in 4 hits when he fights him?
Because he has a higher upgraded weapon.
Then RTSR just do it for fucking that damage.
Which we don't have RTSR, so.
That's a 1-hit run. Technically. Yeah. Yo, that lightning bolt though.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh shit.
Yeah, watch out.
Fucking 3-hit combo, 4-hit combo.
There you go. Hit. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's the perfect fuck you. There you go. Get a hit. There you go. That's a good hit. Watch.
Alright, I killed O.
You got 10 seconds.
Alright, so for him, you basically just want to run at him. And then he'll do this swing, which is super easy to dodge, and then you can get some hits on him. And then just keep running at him so he doesn't shovel. So if you get far away from him, he'll shovel attack. Don't waste all your stamina and roll back. Yeah. So just wait for him to get up and then just sprint at him. And then that's easy to dodge. Just hit him once. That's the shovel. Shitbox. Just kind of back up and roll. Heal. And then sprint at him. Shit. And roll back. Heal.
Not there. Shovel again.
Swing. And roll.
No.
Watch out for the shovel. And dodge. Hit him. Nice, dude. Nice. Killer. What was that? 2 tries? Right? Yeah, it was 2.
Yeah.
2 or 3.
No, I think it was 2.
Let's take that elevator.
Yeah, because I went in and died, and then you killed
I died.
first phase. You died?
Yeah, no, I can't fucking remember. My memory is just horrible. But now we can warp. We have a bigger soul to dupe. So we shouldn't need to dupe anymore.
We need to go in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Lord Russell. That's right.
We don't have anything. We have a bow and arrow to kill her if we want it to be really fast, but just sit down, do the dialogue, grab the bowl, and be out.
Sprint.
Thou hast,
Skip. Tight spot.
O chosen undead, I
Great chest ahead.
Is that it?
Yep. And just rest at the bonfire and warp to Firelink. Warp to Firelink. Now we go kill ONS.
Should we level?
Actually, warp to we can level up. Level up our yeah, sure. Warp to Undead Parish.
Whoa. Perfect.
We're gonna kill Andre now.
Why?
Actually, well yeah, because we just get the Crest of Artorias from him.
Is that we have enough?
Actually no, pop the soul. No, we need a backup soul just in case. So just 200 R2, or you can. Wait, go to our inventory. See how many souls we have. See how many we have. Pop that one right there, the bigger one first.
No, we'll just... How much is it?
I think it's 12k. On a speed run, you wouldn't need this. You just kill him to get the thing for free. That should be enough.
Well, you
Oh,
Porches.
oh, it's 20k.
I'll be seeing you there.
Fuck you, dude.
Be well. You've got curses. You die.
So we actually just don't need him anymore?
Nope.
Wow.
This is the weapon we need the rest of the game. And it's fully upgraded, so we're Gucci.
He almost hit you. He was almost like, fuck you. You know that little building right there, that little like where he sits, kind of reminds me of like a smaller version of where you fight
Valstat?
Undead Legion.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say Valstat, but it kind of does remind me of where you fight the Abyss Watchers.
Sort of. Just like smaller.
Yeah, I get that though. I think the last bonfire you rested at was at the one in Orlando, so I'm gonna rest at this one.
Oh yeah, shit. None of that bull.
Come here, you fucking idiots. Yo.
You're offline, right?
No, it's fucking this. I'm
That
not even
far?
human. I can't get invaded. I'm not human.
What did you drop? Pillage.
Bullshit.
Pillage.
No,
Pillage.
not pillaging.
Pillage. Pillage.
Trying to get us set up for, or you set up for Sith.
We're at 22 minutes.
Yeah, we're good. We'll beat Sith and then we'll call it.
Seep.
We spent maybe like 15. We spent like 10 minutes duping.
Oh.
So we can cut off like 10 minutes of our time, give or take. Our goal is sub 3 hours. That's like what our goal is. That guy was doing some shit. And we'll just talk to you.
Thou fared well.
That voice is just weird.
It is very weird.
Is the rolling cats in this area?
No,
Where's that deal?
it's that way.
What is over there?
Over that way?
The rolling cats.
Yeah, they're over there.
What's past them?
You go down. There's a ladder that goes down to the Hydra. Yeah. Like if you keep going that way, you're like near where they are. Like a mini boss.
Sif.
The stone armor we just got is for Nito and for Gwen.
Just for boys.
For tank, yeah.
For tank. For tank.
We need this Hornet ring too. So you're gonna run far around, not on the perimeter, but far around the tombstone and go to the back of it. Get the Hornet ring. And,
Which way? Left, right?
Yeah, go left.
Just so I don't trigger the fight.
Yeah, just kind of veer. You don't have to walk in the perimeter. Just kind of go that way. Yeah, you're good. The only way you trigger is if you stand right up front of in front of the thing.
Why am I getting this first?
And we need that just to save time. So like, as soon as we kill, see if we can get out of here.
Oh, yeah, flipping it.
No, don't clip it.
Good.
Clip it right before we fight one.
Good?
Yeah. And skip. You gotta time. You gotta roll like a little earlier when he does that.
Should I lock?
Yeah, you can lock this fight. Stay underneath him. Heal. Wow, that was so lucky. He likes to jump a lot.
Dude, come on. You suck.
You gotta roll a little earlier, I think. Heal.
No!
Double chug. You got a double chug there, boy. You gotta double chug that shit. You gotta fucking chug that shit. Fuck! That's another death for Dave on a boss. Just mark that.
Clunky.
Just gonna mark
Clunky.
that. Gonna mark that
Clunky.
death right there because you're just clearly inept at rolling.
Clunky.
Um,
Clunky. Which way am I going?
to the left more. You're off. Way off.
I have no idea where I'm
Yeah, over there. Talk to the cat for like a split second and then run.
going. Dude. Why?
So they
Is it
unaggro.
not so?
Why, he asks.
Dude, I haven't played this game in years because other ones came out. Which
Yeah,
way?
Dave, this
Which
is
way?
this- straight ahead. You can do it.
Like, it's literally like I've never played this game before.
You're fine. You know how a Souls game works. You're fine.
Clunky.
And you played this game literally 2 days ago. When we did this, when we did the practice swap run.
Yeah, but
And you killed Sif just fine.
his fuzz looks weird and it's distorting my.
No. Quit making excuses. He's making excuses, everybody. You got 15 seconds for a
Plonk.
spot. You got 15 seconds. Beat this boss. This is easy.
My character would just react. There it goes.
You have to react. This boss is perfectly easy to dodge.
Going.
And don't get too greedy either. Alright, swap.
I basically just killed him. Look at that. Look at that setup.
See, that's a hard boss. Hard boss.
He got lucky.
Hard boss, ladies and gentlemen. Hard boss, hard game. I want to go get this because I don't think...
Hard game boss.
souls here.
Hard
now.
boss
We
game.
have one stop to humanity.
Hard game boss.
Save some time sprinting. So now we're set up to fight 4 kings. Now we have 5 bosses left. 6 bosses left. We have 6 bosses left.
There's 6 bosses left.
6 bosses left. Is that what you're trying to do there? Like a little...
No.
No? Shit. Alright, we're calling this one here. We're saving quitting. We're gonna see where we're at time-wise. Evian, named after this fucking water bottle right here. How creative. We're an hour 44.
Change that.
We're halfway through. We're gonna get through this in under 3 hours. Try to beat our time at home. We'll be back. Thank you so much for watching.